Hey guys, are you ready to learn some amazing 3D skills today? I hope you are because I have a super cool tutorial for you. My name is Muskan and I am your 3D ninja. Here at Iteration, we are all about fashion and design. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. In this video, I am going to show you how to create stunning top stitch that looks like they came straight out of a magazine. You know, those sharp and curved edges that add so much detail and style to your garment? Sounds awesome, right? Well, let's get started. First of all, you need to have your internal lines and top stitch placed separately like this. If you don't know how to do that, check out my previous video where I explain how to create internal lines and add top stitch in 3D. I will leave the link in the description below. Now the trick here is to create intersection point for these lines. This will allow us to edit the top stitch more easily and get the desired shape. To do this, select both lines by holding the Shift key and right click on them. Choose Add Point to Intersection from the menu. You will see that the lines are now divided into segments. Next, you can either edit your top stitch this way. You can reduce the length of the segment, but the edge will still be neither sharp nor curved. Even if you reapply the top stitch, it won't make any difference. This is because our stitch lines are away from the main line. So, what we need to do is to change the top stitch property and set its offset to 0. This will bring the top stitch closer to the main line and give us a better result. But if you want to have a curved edge instead of a sharp one, well, there is a way to do that too. You have to select your top stitch using Edit Top Stitch. Then from the corner section, you can tick Curved and set the value that you need. But wait a minute, nothing is happening. Why is that? It's because we have two separate top stitch added in our project without any corner. So, how would our tool know where our corner is? We have to tell it somehow. For this, we have to delete both stitches and add a new one with a running line with the help of free top stitch. But before that, we have to merge our overlapping points. Select one and right click on them. And then merge. Now our two separated lines are joined and can be edited together. It's time to add a top stitch. Now we can edit this particular top stitch from the property editor by using those steps that we discussed earlier. Make it curved as you wish, but if you want it to be more curvy, then you can create one top stitch with your desired curve using an internal polygon or by using other method that you prefer to do this. Both methods will give you decent result, and there you have it. Different ways to add sharp or curved edge top stitch in your project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below. Let me know what other 3D skills you want me to teach you next. Until then, keep learning and creating. Bye.